Ooh, it's coming at me and it's cold, but this is more what I call a blizzard. Woo, woo. That's cold. But you can see the snow's almost, but not quite horizontal. Power lines seem to be relatively free of snow and ice, best I can tell from here, and that can only be a good thing. Oh, wind died down briefly. Oh, there's a Ford Focus. Woo, dang. So, it's starting to look more like what I call a blizzard. Well, it's up that high. See, lots of snow blowing around. Up by the street, you can really kind of see it blowing. It's about 3 minutes till 2 p.m. or 1400 hours. Lots of snow. You can kind of see on that table. It's bloody cold. Well, there goes an SUV. Looks like they're trying to keep the... I've heard the plow go by a couple times, so I guess they're trying to keep the street cleared. And I think I hear it starting to gust, so I'm going to stop this now. Well. Ooh. More blizzard action for you. You can see those trees up there moving. The snow's moving faster. Ooh, it's cold. And the wind has clearly picked up. Ooh, bird. Look at that bird just struggling to fly. Poor guy. Hope it finds a nice warm spot. And I'm going to go back into my semi-warm spot because it's cold outside, whereas it's not so cold, 60-some degrees in my house. It's pretty, but my gosh, it's cold. You can see it's kind of built up here. More snow! And it's blowing. See, it's probably about 3:15 now. Oh, here comes a car. 4x4 pickup. Man, they are trying to keep the street clear, but man, it's just too fast for them. Alrighty. Snow's pile up. It's getting hard to close the door. 1600 hours. Oh man. Get some of this snow out of here and maybe I can actually see what's going on. Oh shoot, that's not good. But you can see I'm gonna forget putting that back on. But more snow, it's blowing, it's coming down. 4 o'clock, 1600 hours. I'm gonna go look at it out the other door. Ooh. Look at that wall there. Oh my gosh, look at that. If I have to go outside this door for any reason, I am officially screwed. Oh, look, there's the snow grader. Whew. Got a nice little blast of snow there. You can see it blowing off the neighbor's roof over there. Oh gosh, this is just crazy. Oh, got wind gust. Time to stop the video. 16:41 in the afternoon. Oh gosh. You can see the snow is just drifted to the point to where I cannot open the door any further than this. If I have to get out for any reason, I am somewhere in the neighborhood of screwed. Oh! Wind gust. You can see it is just powering off the roof. There goes another brave driver. Looks like in a 4Runner. Now, it's an absolute miracle that mailbox is still on its stand. It's been that, like, half hanging off for years now. But that's what it looks like. Well, here comes another gust. So I'm going to close the door. But I don't know how to oh gosh! Bring home just how amazingly much snow there is out there right now. Quarter after 5, 1700 hour, well, 1715. Oh gosh! There goes a Chevy Malibu, I think. Flashers on. Winds have clearly increased. Oh God! And I'm getting blasted by him every time it whips around in this direction. In fact. Oh God. You can see the snow drift. There's the snow drift right there. That's how far I am off the ground. It's actually higher than the door frame. It's looks like it's up to the height of the windows. Like I said, if I have to, oh, hey, cool, some birds out there. If I have to go outside for something, I'm screwed. The snowdrift is so, whoa, high that I literally can't open this door any further than this. So, that's my, again, it's not quite quarter after 5 p.m. And I'm gonna stop this video now. Goodness gracious, my camera's getting soaked. And I'm not even outside, I'm just shooting through this little this little door, you know, this is open. You know, 2-3 inches. Well, it's still dark. It's about 10 after 6 p.m. or 1809 hours. Oh gosh, this is all the further I can open the door. The snowdrift is about a third of the way up the door. The peak of it is anyway. It's getting a little dark to shoot, but see, I can't even hardly get the camera outside to get a better shot. Oh, there's a gust. So this will probably be my last vlog entry for the day on this. You can, oh gosh, you can see that snow blowing across there. It's pretty cool, but the door's getting soaked and it's getting cold. So I'm gonna get back to my movie. It is currently 10 till 8. You can really hear the wind whipping it up now. And I don't plan to let this go very long, but you can, turn off the porch light doesn't seem to help. But, whoa! Oh gosh, hey, look at the snow wall. It is up to, it's up to the bottom of the door. Oh, dude. Yeah, it's, if it keeps up like this, by morning, it'll be up to the door latch.